Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to check the operating system release version in CentOS Stream 8 operating system. So first let me open the terminal, login as a root user because file is residing under /etc directory. So this is the file cat/etc/os-release. So you can see that operating system release version, pretty name of this operating system, everything is displayed here, version ID, everything is displayed. You can customize this command by using grep. Okay, so this commands can be used in your shell script or something like that, whichever program needs the information about the operating system release. So grep version, grep name, grep pretty. Okay, so this is the way you can check the operating system release version in CentOS Stream 8 operating system.